Are you feeling stressed and overwhelmed because of the constant repairs in your Chrysler vehicle? We understand your frustration. No one should get stuck with a lemon, and it's only fair that the auto manufacturer should compensate you for all the trouble. In this video, we will explain how you can finally resolve the issue by getting rid of your defective Chrysler and being financially compensated for it under the California lemon law. We will discuss what the Chrysler Buyback is, how you can qualify for compensation, and the typical defects found in Chrysler cars. Finally, we will also talk about the affected Chrysler models and guide you through the initial step in filing a lemon law claim. So let's get started. First off, just what is the Chrysler Lemon Law Buyback option? Under the law, when a car manufacturer sells a lemon vehicle to any California consumer, they are legally obligated to either repair the defective vehicle or provide compensation to the car owner. One way in which Chrysler can compensate you for the inconvenience is through the buyback settlement option. Essentially, this means that Chrysler will repurchase the lemon from you and pay you a cash settlement. This will include the total amount you paid for the car, any sales and financing charges that were incurred, previous monthly payments, and future amortizations, all expenses associated with repairs, towing, and car rentals, plus any civil penalties that may be imposed on Chrysler by the court. What are the typical defects in Chrysler vehicles that are often associated with lemon law claims? These examples might seem disturbingly familiar to you. Transmission slipping, engine making a loud clacking noise, engine failure, power steering leaks, complete electrical shutdown, loud clunking noise from transmission, engine shutoffs while driving, transmission does not shift properly, unresponsive gas pedal, excessive oil consumption. Are you currently experiencing any of these problems with your Chrysler? Please keep in mind that this list is not exhaustive, and your Chrysler may be experiencing different issues. The key takeaway from this is that any recurring problem that has a significant impact on the vehicle's functionality, safety, or market value can potentially be considered valid grounds for filing a complaint. Which Chrysler models are eligible for filing a lemon law claim? The following Chrysler models have been previously cited in lemon law complaints: the Chrysler 200 sedan, the Chrysler 300 luxury sedan, the Chrysler Cirrus mid-size sedan, the Chrysler Pacifica luxury minivan crossover, the Chrysler Sebring sedan, and the Chrysler Town and Country minivan. Have you encountered any problems with any of these Chrysler models? It's just not right that you are being saddled with the burden of a defective car. The California lemon law may be the solution to your lemon problem. Moving on, how can you ensure that Chrysler compensates you for your defective vehicle? The first step is to file a lemon law claim, which requires your car to meet one of the following criteria. The vehicle must have been taken back to the dealership at least twice to address a significant safety defect. The vehicle must have been taken back to the Chrysler dealership on a minimum of 4 occasions to address a non-safety issue. The car must have spent a cumulative total of over 30 days at the dealership for any combination of defects. Now, here's the thing. If your Chrysler meets any of these requirements within the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, it is automatically presumed to be a lemon under the law, and you may be eligible for a cash settlement from Chrysler. But you may be wondering, does your Chrysler still qualify for lemon law protection if the repair issues arise after the initial 18-month period or the first 18,000 mile limit? The answer is yes. It is still possible for your car to be eligible for compensation. Here's the deal. If you own a Chrysler in California that experiences significant and persistent defects at any point during the warranty period, and Chrysler fails to provide a satisfactory solution despite multiple repair attempts, you may have a strong case for compensation. It is crucial to take immediate action and file a lemon law claim as soon as possible. Want to get started with a lemon law claim for your defective Chrysler vehicle? The first step is to consult with a skilled California lemon law attorney. They can evaluate the strength of your case, recommend a legal strategy based on your unique circumstances, and provide crucial guidance throughout the entire process. Give us a call today for a free consultation and find out if you have a lemon law case within a few minutes. Now, here's an interesting question. Who is responsible for paying your Chrysler lemon law attorney? The great news is that you can avail all the services of a skilled attorney without any financial burden. That's right, your attorney can provide all of their vital services at zero cost to you. In California, most reputable lemon law attorneys operate under a no-win, no-fee policy. This means that their fees are covered by Chrysler, the auto manufacturer, as part of the settlement. In other words, your attorney will only receive compensation if they win your case. As a result, you won't have to worry about any upfront costs. For assistance to file a claim, call 323-553-7525 or visit lemonlawyers.org today.